Hello and welcome back to the Hornby magazine workshop, where today we're taking a closer look at Accurascale's brand new collection of HYA and IIA bogie hopper wagons for double O gauge. Join me to find out more. In HM177, our March 2022 issue, we take a detailed look at the brand new collection of new hopper wagons from Accurascale. These are modelling three different types of HYA and IIA bogie wagon. So we've got the original coal type wagons, which are classified either HYA or IIA, depending on what period they're from. We've also got a collection of IIA biomass wagons, which have got hopper tops on them as well. Plus we've also got the cut down version, which are the HYA wagons now used for aggregates traffic as well. The first of these wagons were introduced in 2007 and 368 were built both in Romania and by WH Davis in the UK. They were originally built to carry coal and therefore were long wheelbase, high capacity wagons, but with a massive change to the coal industry in 2010 there was a need to change their purpose as well. Some were rebuilt as biomass wagons where they had tops added to them, so covers could open to allow loading and unloading of the wagons, whereas others were found a new use by being cut down for aggregate traffic. Now you're wondering why they couldn't just keep them the same length. It's because actually aggregate is a much more dense material than the coal they were designed to carry, and therefore they can only part load the full length versions of the HYAs. So rather than run the risk of overloading wagons, they decided to cut them down, take out one of the hopper bays from the middle of the wagon and create a shortened HYA as well. Sometimes they're called a cut down HYA as well. So on the layout today, we've got pretty much all of what Accurascale is going to be releasing in its first production run for these wagons. They're due this quarter of the year, in the second quarter of 2022, and we've been really excited to see what they can do and how they look as well. So these are very detailed wagons, and not just in their physical appearance either. It's actually the printing process as well for the actual decoration of the models. In total, the coal wagons have got over 150 individual tampo prints on each wagon. That's a huge number of passes to make these detailed liveries of. Now for the coal wagons, the HYAs and IIAs, they're available in a combination of either GBRF or Fastline or D-branded Fastline liveries. Within that you've also got Fastline with 2X branding, Fastline with GE Rail Services branding, and also just plain Fastline branding as well. All the GBRF versions are branded with First Group logos and the word coal at one end as well. There are several different packs of those wagons, so you can build up a representative train. If you look at prototype images as well, you will find that both the GBRF and Fastline wagons did operate together in more recent times as well. Another feature of these wagons is that one pack of each type has got a flashing tail lamp with it as well. That tail lamp is battery powered, so it's positioned inside the back end of one of the wagons, and there's then a hall sensor, which is a magnetic sensor, which can use a magnetic wand in order to turn on or off that flashing tail lamp. It's a really neat way of doing it, and we found it quite simple to use those here on the layout today as well. In terms of the next line of wagons, we've got the IIA biomass wagons. They're very distinctive by the fact they have covers on the top of them, together with the operating mechanism on each end. There are 4 different packs of the IIA wagons, and that allows you to create a representative train with 8 different individually numbered wagons to create a unique train set of vehicles. We've got those partnered today with 60095 from the Hornby collection in matching GBRF livery. The third series of wagons we've got today is the cut down HYA wagons, which I think actually might be my favourites. One of the liveries I really like as well actually is the NACO branded wagons, which have got kind of the original unpainted metal finish of the longer versions, and rather characterfully they've also got part of the logos remaining as well from either side of where they were cut down. So that isn't a printing failure, that is a correct representation of how the livery was on these wagons, and I think they look great with that kind of mismatched kind of part branding on each side as well. So as well as the NACO branded ones, you've also got GB rail freight versions with CEMEX and VTG branding on them as well. You've got some tarmac branded vehicles as well. So we've coupled all the HYAs together today to run behind 66789 to demonstrate them running, but obviously being different branded liveries, they wouldn't all run together in the same train in the real world. So a little bit of careful research required to pick the right wagons to run together. Again, like both the full-length coal hoppers and full-length biomass hoppers, there are packs available with a flashing tail lamp which operates in the same way as well. So a few other features to mention with these wagons: you do get sprung buffers at both ends of all wagons. You also get NEM coupling pockets with small tension lock couplings fitted as standard. There are turned metal wheels fitted to all the bogies as well, which give nice free running wagons as well. And there's also nice metal weights inside the ends as well to keep them stable on the track. In terms of detail, you can expect a correctly and accurately detailed body shell on these wagons, together with a fully detailed underframe showing all that operating mechanism for the hoppers, as well as conduits and other pieces as well. There are lots of separately fitted parts again, as you'd expect with an Accurascale hopper, and I think these have been a great addition to run around the layout today. In terms of price and availability, the Accurascale HYA and IIA fleet is due to be arriving very soon with its retailers, and they're also going to be priced at £74.95 for each twin pack. So these are all sold in twin packs, so you get 2 matching liveried vehicles in each pack, but each one has individual numbering elements on it as well. So no 2 wagons are the same. If you buy 2 boxes of different catalogue number vehicles, you also have different wagons as well, even in a matching livery. Don't forget you can read the full review from Hornby magazine in issue 177, our March 2022 issue. If you didn't get that whilst it was on sale in the shops, you can purchase a back issue from shop.keypublishing.com. Alternatively, if you're on Key Model World and seeing this video, you can keep reading below to read the full review online. Or if you're joining us on our YouTube channel, you can also click in the link in the description to jump across to Key Model World to find that feature there, or in fact, buy the back issue. Thank you once again for joining us here in the workshop today to see these wagons being put through their paces. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.